As much as it takes knowledge, determination, and skills to invest in property, people who are new to real estate investing tend to make a number of mistakes. So, watch this video to identify mistakes to avoid in order to accelerate your growth path in this industry. Don't buy a property because you think you got a good deal and then try to figure out what to do with the property later. I buy a lot of properties on auctions and I see a lot of people buying on ego and emotions. Then later they return the property to the auction floor after losing their down payment to the auctioneer due to lack of planning. This is the last thing you want to do. The number is the number and you don't go above the number. Stick to the plan and buy with your head. This is business. My advice to you is to educate yourself, have a lot of activities, and ask a lot of questions before you put your financial security on the line. The problem is, most wannabe real estate investors look at real estate as a transaction instead of looking at it as an investment strategy. Before I bought my first property, I had to look at 100 properties, and I did that because I needed to understand the rental market and the market dynamics of my chosen area. Maybe you're smarter than me and therefore would not have to look at 100 properties before you buy your property. Many real estate investors think that they can do everything on their own. They think they know it all, or they can close a real estate deal on their own. This is a recipe for a disaster. A dream is only a dream if no one gets to see it. It is as good as dead. I wish you happy investing and good luck. Until next time, bye-bye.